Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your keyboard bigger on the Motorola device. So at the start, tap on the any text field to open the keyboard. Now go to the settings and choose preferences. Now you can see there we have a keyboard height, so just tap on it and choose the extra tool. And now if you open the keyboard, you can see it's big. Now we can make it small, back again it to show you the difference. And now the short one. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.